Yo. So we made it to Atlanta. I got my baby, y'all. This is my dream car. I took delivery of it in Florida and I forgot my GoPro batteries. Guys, I just bought my dream car. It's crazy. Y'all about to see it in a minute. Now I'm back up and running. But yeah, this is it, y'all. This is a collector's edition Grand Sport. This is the car that I've been waiting on for about 5-6 years, guys. Been paying every bill on time, working on credit, saving up, all that good stuff. I finally got it. It's dirty because I drove it from Florida, from Jacksonville to Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta now. And yeah, man, dreams do come true. Dreams come true, y'all. Whatever y'all want, y'all work hard for it. Y'all go get it. That's it. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Give y'all a cold start. St. Louis, so we're gonna do videos how we're gonna get the car back in another video. But now we're about to go to the gym, see the gym gear, about to pull up in the gym in that, work out, and we're gonna enjoy Atlanta for a minute. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Yeah, quick stop. So we about to go to the gym. We ain't eating nothing all day, so we gotta go get something to eat. We're gonna get some fruit.
This goes by itself, bro?
Yeah. Yeah, y'all, we're gonna get some fruit. Best thing, something like an apple, because it got carbs in it. Use carbs for energy. And you can get the gains. Let's get it.
Health as well. Take care of yourself.
All right, y'all, let the games begin. Man, I'm gonna get y'all the cold start. This ain't never gonna get old. Let's get this cold start. This man. All right, y'all, we made it. One Life Fitness, Atlanta, perimeter. Let's get it. Turn this bad boy off. Grab the key, grab the phone, and drop the phone. Let's go.
All right, guys. So just do One Life Fitness.
Boy, trail.
Like this.
Man, that motherfucker. That shit hard, bro. Man.
Good ass workout here. Get it. Turn it up.
Doing this cardio, y'all. One Life Fitness. Let's go. I always warm up for every workout. Y'all know the drill. right, y'all, we just finished the workout. Me and Trev Almighty. Y'all subscribe to this channel. I'll link it below.
It's a wrap.
And yeah, man, this is One Life Fitness in Atlanta. This is the I don't even know the location name, but it's in Atlanta. Y'all look it up. And I got the vet. Vet is right there. So before we got here, cars went by. I was parked by myself. Now somebody parked by me, so I'm at to go check them right quick. No, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna check. I ain't gonna do that. But yeah, it's down there. We're gonna hop in the whip, go get something to eat. Then we're gonna enjoy Atlanta. I might take the top off, so y'all stay tuned, man. Shout out to Trev Almighty. Remember, y'all work out, y'all eat good, y'all live right, y'all get the gains. Bye.